Hello everyone, my name is Conor Walsh and I originally come from Lyreacrumpane in North Kerry, and I currently live in London. The song I'm going to sing for you today is a song about Lyreacrumpane, and it was written by Paddy Feely, who had never been to Lyreacrumpane but had heard many story about what happens and stories and tales about Lyreacrumpane. And from these stories he was able to pen a song about Lyreacrumpane, and it's called My Home in Sweet Lyreacrumpane. Far away from my homeland in Kerry, where I've been for a number of years, although in my heart I am happy, in my memory it sometimes appears. In that neat little spot by the Smirla, where I first saw the light of the dawn, where I played with my friends and companions, near my home in sweet Lyreacrumpane. Dear homeland, I will always think of you, no matter how long I'm away, and my mind, it will always be with you, and the wind blowing from Tralee Bay. When Ireland was fighting for freedom, like a comrade I fought like a man, for independence from my own native country, and my home in sweet Lyreacrumpane. The music and song at the crossroads I can still hear so clearly today, when in fancy my memory it wanders to the days that are long gone away. There on the flag floor in the kitchen, where often we danced until dawn, God be with the bright days of my childhood, and my home in sweet Lyreacrumpane. In dreams I was often awakened by the sound of the river beyond, where often I'd fish in its waters, and some lovely fine salmon did land. Those days, they are now gone forever. All the wealth in the world I would pawn, if I could only return as a garçon to my home in sweet Lyreacrumpane. Shinawell, and thank you.